Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Steve with Bro the Handyman, and in this video we're gonna go through a few tools that I got from this weekend. We got them at garage sales. One particular garage sales, the reason why we were going out was because the ad stated that they have 30 years of tool collecting that they were having a garage sale of. So I definitely had to check that out. And I got two really old tools from there. Plugged them in before I purchased them, and all they wanted was $10 a tool, and they came on. Seen a couple of things on them that I know I should change. So while we were riding around to get back home, there was a few other garage sales that my wife noticed that there was a sign for. So we stopped, but there was one in particular we stopped at, and they had a tool. I was interested in it. I did pick it up, and matter of fact, I got that one for free, and I'll show you all that in the video. But I can't see nothing wrong with it. Haven't taken it apart yet. Haven't even plugged it in, but I don't see anything wrong with it. And he says he thinks it's the brushes, so we're gonna go ahead and we'll plug it in and see what happens, and cut a piece of wood. See what happens. If it stops, it stops, and we'll go from there. So without further ado, let's get into it and see what I got. Alright guys, so you can see I got this big drill right here. This is going to be an interesting fella. I got this big grinder. I'm going to stick them on the side. This is the one I want to pull out first. This is the one I got for free. Now, what's intriguing is that he says he's pretty sure it's the brushes. I don't know. Not sure why that isn't so deep. Good. I'm gonna have to get something to grab that with. Doesn't look like it was cut or anything. Oh, I bet you know what. Alright. Not sure if it's supposed to be that hard or not, but hey, here we go. We're gonna get it started. Well, it seems to work. Alright, well, we definitely got something going on in there, so we're going to have to take it apart, probably in another video, and see what the deal is, why it won't, keeps flipping the breaker, so something's definitely going on with it. Alright, that's still thinking it's funny. Alright. Alright, now this one, notice the plug was broken of the ground, but I don't think that's going to mess up with the test, just to see if it runs. Well, that's pretty solid. That's pretty awesome. Alright, that works. I will change out the, I got a plug, so I'm going to change out the plug on that. Now this one, I think I need to change this out. Definitely sure. And what's funny, it's positive and negative. Or you could say neutral, but it's very, very loose, for one. And secondly, if you look right here, there's 3 wires. And they put one with one. So I'm definitely going to change that out before I get started on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stuff I need, and we're going to put a new one of these on, so we can get it working. So I'll be back. I'm going to go ahead and get everything I need, and we'll be back to put this one on. And while we're at it, we'll put one on this one as well. Alright guys. I'm probably not going to use this drill a whole lot, but when I need it, it'll be great to have. Last time I needed one of these big ones, I was mixing some mortar, and I was just having trouble mixing it, because because, well, it was not mortar, but it was tile. I was mixing mortar for tile. I actually burnt up the drill I had. I had to go buy a new one. Which that one worked all right. So. I wonder if I could just reuse this thing. Doesn't look like I can, because it broke. Let's put some electrical tape, make it a little bigger. Hey, you can really tell how old this thing is from all the flathead screws that holds it together. Man. I know I absolutely dislike the Phillip head screws. I know if you take your time, the screws will work, which most of them are no big deal. But I prefer to have those Star, not really, no, not Star, Torque. The Torque head ones is the ones I prefer to get. If I'm buying them, I buy the Torque. I do not cheap out. Oh yeah, that's much better. Alright, let me go ahead and take this off now. Alright guys, so your ground is going to be this one, which is the green. Your neutral is going to be if you're looking directly at it, it's going to be on your right hand side, which is this one, which is the silver one. And your positive, which is your black, it's going to be on this side. And then it so happens that that one's black too. So usually, I believe this one's usually brass, but in this case it's black. So can't always go by the color, but the positioning is important, because you don't want to plug in your positive to the neutral side. You could possibly mess up your tool. And generally speaking, the green is always ground on your receptacles, on the plugs. It's just always green. Maybe some of you electricians out there maybe have come across it where it was different color than green, but I've never seen it otherwise. I don't do electrician as a job. If someone needed me to go to their house and do something, if I'm familiar with it and I'm comfortable doing it, I will do it. But otherwise, I'll get somebody out there, one of my buddies or something. So. Hey, Mikey. Okay. 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 You're welcome. I love you. If you do use a drill like I am on these, be very, very careful and go slow. some of these male plugs, female plugs, whatever, they if you go too fast, you'll strip them out because they are plastic. So just go ahead and take your time. It's no rush. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, see what happens. Well, I don't know if it's just old, but it doesn't feel like it has the power. But I like it. It's good. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and I hope you got some information from it. I know I had went ahead and put that outlet on the one. The other one I'm going to go ahead and take care of it as well off camera. And we're going to see about making a video to see what's wrong with the DeWalt. But as always, I do appreciate you watching. If you like this kind of content, I know I don't do one specific item, one specific thing. I do whatever needs to be done. So I do appreciate you watching. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload as I upload them, and hit the like button. This hitting the like button gets us further out where more people can see and hopefully help someone else. Again, greatly appreciate you watching. See you in the next video.